Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are going camping. Maybe you're just doing some yard work outside, or you're looking to cool off on the job site. And that is because it is a really nice battery-powered fan. So this was sent over by a company called BougeRV, and I absolutely love this. This is their F02 model. First off, it powers two different ways. It has this really nice heavy-duty battery on the backside, which is usable in their other devices. So if you do have some of their other devices, you can use their batteries. Otherwise, it works great for this, which makes it very portable when moving it around. You will notice there is a Type-C port on the bottom or on the top of the battery, and they do include a USB C-to-C cable to charge that up. You just need a wall adapter, laptop, etc. All that's going to be explained obviously in the user manual, but we're covering all the rest of the features here in the video. Now, if you do not want to power this via the battery, they also do include a nice plug with a super long cable. So for example, if you're working out in the garage or a job site and maybe you don't need that flexibility of portability, you can go ahead and use this and have it as on-demand power. There is just where the battery goes on the back, there's a little door, just open that up and it just pops in right there and powers up the fan, which is really great. So you get two different ways to power it up. And then as you can see, the fan is right here. It's very industrial looking. It is very, very tough also. It's a heavy duty fan, nice solid kind of plastic frame. It has a nice handle that makes it easy to carry. As you can see, it rotates about 210 degrees, so it can easily rotate and send that air whatever distance it needs to go, in whatever direction it needs to go. As far as the air settings, there is a stepless dial here on the bottom. Just going to simply rotate that and it's going to increase the air speed. And this thing can pump out a lot of air. It goes all the way up to 755 CFM as far as the air volume that's coming out of this thing. So it can push out a lot of air, which is great, especially if you're trying to cool off quickly or just make areas nice and dry. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size here, it is about 15.5 inches wide. It's about 9.25 inches in depth as far as the deepest part, and then it's about 12 inches in height. Now, as you can see, I have it just sitting here on a table. You can easily put it anywhere you want, but you can also hang this fan because it does have these little hooks here that kind of slide in, which is super, super nice as well. So you can go ahead and just pull these out and hang them up, and now it will go ahead and move that fan however you want to get the air down from up above. So another nice little feature as making this thing very, very versatile and usable. Now let's say it is you went and you took this for camping, or maybe you're on a job site and you don't have a regular power. This does have a built-in LED light here, right here in the center. There is a little button. It's a very warm color temperature. It's very nice, especially if you are going camping or you bring this along in your RV, because it's not that bright white. It looks great in the darkness. But yeah, so simply press the little sun button and it's going to go ahead and have the ability to adjust to two different brightnesses. You have a low, a low and a high, essentially. And then you can just go ahead and turn it off. Now, if you do have a phone or a tablet or some like a radio or something like that, and you want to go ahead and power those devices or charge them up from the battery, you can do that too. There is in the front on the other side of the controls a USB-A slot and a USB-C slot. That's going to allow you to charge up those devices as well. It's going to put an output of 10 watts. So it's not like super fast charging, but it's enough to add some juice to the other items that you may have that you need in a nice pinch. But overall, it is an absolutely great little fan. It lasts a long time. The battery itself is a lithium-ion battery, and on the lower setting, you're gonna easily be able to get around 3 days out of this thing. Obviously, that's gonna change depending on how high this speed is, whether you have the light on, whether you're charging stuff, but essentially, you're gonna be able to get your full day out of it as far as working on a construction site, or if you're in an RV or you're camping or something like that, you'll be able to easily get a full day out of it. So if you are into the market and you're looking for just a really great heavy duty fan that has all the little bells and whistles, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.